And this is how I'm going to leave it. I took my broom, swept all this back up. I've got this nicely fixed. And I just moved the dirt around. I just used my little rake here. And I pulled it back from there. And you remember, I'm going to raise this up. And because I'm going to raise that up, I'll have the extra dirt that I kind of left right here get kind of pushed back down in there. And I just kind of leveled it off for the time being. Okay. And this drip irrigation pipe, I have not fixed any of the drippers yet. I just let them go. I just let them go for now. Okay. And in fact, there's a couple right here for the roses. I'll pull that back like that. Okay. And I'm just leaving it. I'm not capping off anything yet. I'm not rerouting anything yet because I don't know where the plants go. And the amount of water that the drippers go on is not really wasting that much water. Okay. And that's it. I may not be back to this area for a week. Who knows? But when I do, I've got my tools ready. I'll put all my tools away. And I sweep up. I like to sweep up. Even if I wasn't going to be here, even if I was going to work here tomorrow, I always like to sweep up and clean up because you never know tomorrow what tomorrow might bring. And oh man, I forgot about this, and I can't work out there, and then it rains or something else comes up, and this has all got stuff on it. Should have been swept up, should have been cleaned up. I even kind of trimmed some of the dead pieces off the rose bush. I'm gonna give this a good pruning, but not just yet. Okay, I'm just leaving it like this for now. Okay, that's it for this time. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. Always more videos, you know. Whenever I see something that needs to be done, I whip out my video camera and away I go.